ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Second stanza we will chant. बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर् मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतम् मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। So we are entering into second stanza. So in the first shloka, Ishvara is pointed out as Sarvagnya and also as Jagat Karanam. And Jagat Karanatvam is Nimittam as well as Upadanam. So Sarvagnya and Sarvakriya. It is said Ishvara has both. Sarvajnatva because he is Nimitta Karana, and Upadana Karanam, so he alone is all, Sarvatmatvam. So now to this different Darshanikas which are having different matam. So you know in general Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karanam is accepted only by Vedanta Darshan. In that, other than Advaita Vedanta Darshan, all other Vedanta Darshanas have accepted Parinami Upadana Karanatvam of Brahma. Advaita Vedanta says it is Vivarta Upadanam. And Parinami Upadanam is for those who are Manda Adhikari. Why we say Manda Adhikari? Because they cannot understand that without undergoing modification, Srishti can appear because of Maya. So they think that something actually has happened. Srishti is Vastavika Srishti. Whereas in Advaita Vedanta, Srishti is only Upachara Matra. It's only Shabda, Vacharambhanam. Vikara means any karyam, any creation is only Vacharambhanam. So entire Brahmanda is Vacharambhanam according to Advaita. Then Satyam is Brahma alone. The Adhisthana Karanam is Satyam. So this is Advaita Matam. But everyone does not agree to it. So some refutations, some opposite arguments and their refutations. So Pratipaksha, Purvapaksha will come and then their Samadhanam, Virodha Parihara. So first now the popular matam is that, popular means among Vaidikas, among Vedikas, the popular matam is that Ishvara is Nimitta Karana and something else is Upadana Karanam. Nyaya and Vaisheshika Darshana, they say Parmanu, they are Upadana Karana. So in general, people who are believers of God, Bhagavan, they will also say the same thing. They will say that the world is material and Bhagavan is sitting somewhere, and they are happy with this idea of Bhagavan. So here Vaisheshika Matam. Now, before we enter into it, let us do like a quick revision of Tarka Sangraha. So you have to answer. Okay. How many padarthas are there in Tarka Sangraha, Nyaya Vaisheshika? Sapta padartha. What are they? Dravya Guna Karma Samanya Vishesha Samavaya. These 6 are Bhava Rupa and 1 is Abhava Rupa. In this way, Sapta Padarthas. How many Dravyas are there? No, Dravya. 9. Navadravya. 9 Dravyas are there. What are the Dravyas? So 5 elements: Prithvi, Ap, Tejo, Vayu, Akasha and Atma. Kala, Dig, Atma, Manansi. So they consider Kala, Dig, Atma and Mana and 5 elements. All these 9 are Dravyas. Gunas are 24. Chaturvimshati Gunaha. What are these 24 gunas? Quickly let us see. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha, 4. You have to remember according to batches. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha, 4. Then 5 are there in all. What are the 5? Sankhya, Parimana, Pruthaktva, Sanyoga, Vibhaga. Sankhya, Parimana, Pruthaktva, Sanyoga, Vibhaga. 5 are there in all. So 5 plus 4, 9. Then there is Paratva, Aparatva, Gurutva, Dravatva. Paratva, Aparatva, 2 go together. Para and Apara means higher, lower or far and near. These are Para, Apara. Guru means heavy. Drava means liquid form. Gurutva, Dravatva. Then Sneha Shabda. Sneha means snigdhata, the viscosity. And Shabda. How many are over? 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15 are over. Paratva, Aparatva, Gurutva, Dravatva, Sneha, Shabda. Right? So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9. Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Dharma, Samskara. So 24 are there. These are gunas. Okay, this much. Then karma is there. 5 types of karmas. We don't need them right now. Karana, they accept as 3. Samavai Karana, Asamavai Karana and Nimitta Karana. Correct? Samavai, Asamavai and Nimitta Karana. So, this much let us keep ready. Now, okay, we proceed. First Vartika. Mayayaha bahirivodbhutam swantargatam vishwam pashyanniti vishwasya atmani mayadhyastatvam uktam. तन्न उपपद्यते. So what is said in first shloka? Mayaya bahi iva udbhutam. So Maya is there because of which swantargatam vishwam bahihi iva udbhutam, as though it is outside. And pashyan iti vishwasya atmani Maya adhyastatvam uktam. Bahihi iva udbhutam swantargatam vishwam pashyan. Seeing inside. So he sees it inside, and whenever it is outside, he knows it is because of Maya. What this means is, and Drishtanta was given, Swapna. So Swapna is very clearly known as having Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karana. Swapna Upadanam is also myself, Nimitta is also myself. I alone am appearing as both. And what is the purpose of this inside and outside? Just as in Swapna, even though the whole Srishti belongs to me, but I identify with one Jiva in Swapna, and I think that is me and others are different. When I wake up, then I realize everything is me. In the same way, in Jagrat also, I, the Shuddha Chaitanya, Turiyam, am projecting the entire Brahmanda. Then out of error, I identify with one body, one Jiva. And I start thinking all the other people are different Jiva. Actually, they are only Abhasa Matra. In Drishti Srishtivada, they are only Abhasa, they are only appearance. The real Jiva is only one. The one who is thinking that I am experiencing. So, Swantargatam Vishwam Bahihi Udbhutam Pashyan. Vishwasya iti Vishwasya Atmani Maya Adhyastatvam. So, the entire world is superimposed in Atma due to Maya. Mayaya adhyastatvam. Maya adhyastatvam. Uktam. Tanna upapadyate. That is incorrect. Vishwasya atma anya satyopadanakatvat iti. Hetu is given. Vishwasya atma anya satya upadanakatvat. The world should have upadanam different from Atma, and it should have Satya Upadanam, not Mithya Upadanam, or like Mithya Karanam in the form of Maya. Some other Satya Upadanam should be there. Because according to Vedanta, other than Atma, everything is Mithya. They said no, it should be other than Atma and it should be Satyam also. Vishwasya Atma Anya Satya Upadanakatvat iti Vadinaha Kechit Pratyavatishtante. Pratyavatishtante Prati Avatishtante means they stand opposite to us. Or they stand opposite to us, you have to understand. So they are standing against this view that Atma is the Adhishthanam and with Maya everything is Adhyastam. They stand against it. I mean they are Purvapakshis. Pratyavatishtante, Avatishtante, Sthadhatu, Ava Upasarga, Samava Pravibhyaha, Sthaha is the sutra. Because of which Stha dhatu, even though Parasmaipadi appears as Atmanepada here. Tesham uttara shlokena nirakartum upanyasyati. Tesham matam, their matam, uttara shlokena. Uttara shloka here means second shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram. Huh? This uttara shloka is the second shloka in which they all will be refuted. Uttara shlokena nirakartum upanyasyati. Upanyasyati, kaha upanyasyati? कः न न उपन्यस्यति सुरेश्वराचार्यः। निराकर्तुम् उपन्यस्यति वार्तिकम्। सो Sureshwaracharya ji is doing upanyasa through this Vartika shloka, and their refutation will be done in Dakshinamurti Stotra shloka by Acharya. Upadanam prapanchasya sanyuktaha paramanavaha मृदन्वितो घटस्तस्मात् भासते नेश्वरान्वितः। उपादानं प्रपञ्चस्य संयुक्ताः परमाणवः मृदन्वितो घटस्तस्मात् भासते नेश्वरान्वितः। So in this shloka there is one anumanam. See if you can find that anumanam. Okay, I will tell. Prapanchasya upadanam, this is paksha. Sanyuktaha paramanavaha, this is sadhya. And drashtanta you have to give. So he says mrudanvito ghataha, this is drashtanta. So paksha is there, sadhya is there, and drashtanta is given. So everything else you understand. And hetu also, if you want, you can give Ishvara Anvita Anavabhasanat. Na Ishvara Anvita Bhasate. So Ishvaranvita Anavabhasanat. So the simple way of looking at it is this. Any upadanam is seen in the karyam or not. Any upadanam is seen in karyam. So for example, if mrit is the upadanam of ghata, then ghata is mrudanvitaha. Ghata is completely pervaded by clay. Tantu is the upadanam of pataha. So whenever we see karyam, we are going to see its upadana karanam only. Tantu. When we see pata, we will see tantu. So the Purvapakshi says, if you say Jagat has Ishvara as Upadana Karanam, so when I see Jagat, what should I see? Ishvara. Where do I see Ishvara? Tell me. Even when I see pot or anything, I don't see Ishvara. I don't see Chaitanya. You are saying this is the Upadana Karanam. Whenever we see any object, we should be able to see that as the Upadana Karanam. What is Upadana Karanam? That alone appears as Karyam, that's all. So, I don't see Ishvara as Upadana Karanam. And therefore he says, Prapanchasya Upadanam Sanyuktaha Paramanavaha. If you say it is Parmanu, then he says, look, Parmanu you cannot see. Because Parmanu's Parimana is what? Parmanu's Parimana is Parama Anu, Parama Hrasva. Parama Anu and Parama Hrasva. So you cannot see Parmanu. So he says, yes, we agree, but that's why when Parmanus come together, many Parmanus, so when two Parmanus come together, it will become Dvyanuka. So two Parmanus coming together will become Dvyanuka. Three Dvyanuka, when they come together, it will become Triyanuka. And when there are many such things, then you can see an object which is nothing but collection of Parmanu. So that's why he says Sanyuktaha Parmanavaha. This is the Upadanam. From Parmanu put together, then the whole Brahmanda can be created by collected Parmanus. And Ghataha Mridanvitaha. This is Drashtanta. Pot is created, pervaded by clay. And Tasmat Bhasate. Tasmat Bhasate means Tasmat Mridanvito Bhasate. Ghataha Tasmat Mridanvito Bhasate. Na Ishwaranvitaha. We don't see Ghata being pervaded by Ishwara. Ghataha Ishwaranvitaha न भासते, मृदन्वितः भासते तु. Okay. Now more of Tarka Sangraha fundamentals will become clear. Atra Vaisheshikaha manyante. Prapanchasya. So Vaisheshika means you have to understand the Nayayikas also here. Vaisheshika is given. Prapanchasya karya dravyatmakasya parasparam sanyuktaha parmanavaha niravayavaha parama sukshma dravya visheshaha upadanam ashraya visheshaha. The prapancha is karya dravyatmaka. Prapancha is nothing but karya dravya. So it is in the form of all dravya only, matter. And it is karya dravya. So why karya dravya shabda is used? Because Parmanus are karana. And they say the karya is in the form of whatever srishti that we experience. Out of 9 dravyas, how many dravyas have Parmanu as the karanam? Vayu. Prithvi, Up, Teja, Vayu. These 4 dravyas, they have Parmanu as the Karanam. And the other 5, Akasha, Akasha, Dik, Kala, Mana and Atma. These 5 are Nitya. What is the Karanam for Nitya Dravya? There is no Karanam. What is Nitya? Why it needs Karanam? Nitya is always there. It is like asking what is the cause of Anadi Avidya. Anadi Avidya has no Karanam. Like that, Nitya Dravya has no Karanam. So when such questions, Maharaj Ji will ask only such questions, so that people start thinking. Prapanchasya, like in school, they ask, who wrote Valmiki Ramayana? So somebody will say, Tulsidas Ji, somebody will say, Kamba. When they ask explicitly, then people start wondering must be somebody. So prapanchasya karya dravyatmakasya parasparam sanyuktaha. Prapancha, which is karya dravyatmaka, its parmanus are paraspara sanyuktaha, and parmanus, them sanyukta means they are put together, mutually put together, and they are niravayavaha. They themselves are partless, means they are the smallest entity. Nothing can be there below that, because that which has avayava is not the smallest entity. Dvyanuka has two avayavas, and therefore Dvyanuka is savayava. So it is not the ultimate cause, it is not the final thing, like Paramanu. Paramanu you cannot break anymore. So science, everywhere atoms, they say the smallest is, and they might say, is further something, they might have given some names, but whatever is the smallest, we say that is called Paramanu. They are Parama Sukshma Dravya Visheshaha. For Paramanu, all these adjectives are there. Niravajavaha, Parama Sukshma Dravya Vishesha. They are Parama Sukshma means Parama Anu, Parama Hrasva. They are that kind of Dravya Vishesha. And Upadanam Ashra Visheshaha. So they are the Upadanam, the material cause. Upadanam Ashra Visheshaha. So they are the Vishesha Ashraya as Upadanam of Prapancha. Prapanchasya Upadanam Paramanavaha. This is the Sanyuktaha Paramanavaha. This Vakya. Upadanam means Ashraya Vishesha. Tadgata, now Dravya. Then next is Guna. So, okay, out of Dravya, you say 9 Dravyas are there. Out of 9 Dravya, 4 have Parmanu as Upadanam, 5 are Nitya. Nitya does not need any Karanam. Okay. What about Guna? Tadgata Guna Visheshascha Tad Upadanakaha. Tadgata Guna Visheshaha. Tadgata means Dravyagata. You have to understand. Karya Dravyatmaka Gata. Guna Vishesha. The gunas which are there in the form of Vishesha. Guna Vishesha, Vishesha Shabda is used to indicate that guna which is going to distinguish one thing from the other. When that context comes, I will explain. He could have just said, Tadgata Gunaha. He says Tadgata Guna Visheshaha. Visheshascha Tad Upadanakaha. So, Dravyagata Guna Visheshaha Dravya Upadanakaha. Nitya Dravya Gunakaha. So, they have the gunas which belong to that Dravya, Nitya Dravya, same things are there in Guna also. So, the Siddhanta is that whatever is the guna of Karanam, that alone will appear in Karyam. So, okay, Dravya, let us split them into Nitya Dravya and Anitya Dravya. Anitya Dravya, their guna also will be Anitya. Correct? Anitya Dravya means these 4. Prithvi, Jal, Teja, Vayu. Anitya Dravya, their guna will depend upon the Dravya. The gunas will be dependent upon the Dravya. So that is this Vakya, that तद्गत गुणविशेषाश्च तदुपादानकाः नित्यद्रव्यगुणकाः। कर्म अपि मूर्तद्रव्यसमवेतत्वात् तद उपादानकम एव। And karma also is associated with dravya. How is karma associated with dravya? Karma is associated with dravya in the form of samavetam. Karma api murta dravya samavetatvat. Karma is samavetam in dravya, murta dravya. Amurta dravya will not have karma, kriya. Karma will be there only in murta dravya. So whatever, so they say what are the murta dravyas? Prithvi, jal, up, teja, vayu and no, murta dravya they say 5. Prithvi, up, teja, vayu and mana. Mana also they say is murta. That's why mana has kriya, right? Mind does lot of kriya. So karma api murta dravya samavetatvat tad upadanakam eva. Tad upadanakam means मूर्त द्रव्य उपादानकम. मूर्त द्रव्य is the upadanam of karma, and guna also has dravya as its upadanam. More about guna will come in the next shloka. Now he says Nitya Dravya. So I hope this much is clear. The gunas also belong to those dravyas, and the karma also belongs to dravya. Actually, guna and karma, they can be there only in dravya. Guna cannot be in guna. Karma cannot be in karma. Karma cannot be in guna. Everything has to be in dravya. नित्य द्रव्य गुण जाति विशेष समवायास्तु नित्या एव इति न तेषां कारण अपेक्षा. नित्य द्रव्य डज नॉट हैव एनी कारण, एंड गुण जाति विशेष समवाय they don't have, they are all nitya. So they don't have any karana. Means other than whatever gunas that are already spoken earlier, that guna vishesha, they will have that dravya as its upadanam. Whatever else is there, that nitya dravya and guna jati vishesha. Jati is nitya, samvaya is nitya, vishesha is nitya. So they are all nitya. Therefore there is no upadanam for them, na karana apeksha. Tad etad atiriktam na bhavarupam kinchid asti. Etad atiriktam cha bhavarupam na kinchid asti. There is nothing other than this which is a bhavarupa entity. So bhavarupa are only these six, and they are all parmanu only. Whatever is nitya, apart from that, whatever else is parmanu. Abhavascha bhava pratiyogiko na swatantra iti. And abhava is only bhava pratiyogi. So it is not swatantra vastu. Therefore, anything that is bhava rupam is either already nitya, which does not need any upadana karanam, or parmanu is the upadana karanam. न ईश्वरात्म उपादानकः प्रपंचः नापि मायामय इति. नाइदर दिस उपादानम इज ईश्वरात्मक मीन्स ईश्वर स्वरूप, नॉर दी प्रपंच इज मायामय. न ईश्वरात्म उपादानकः नापि मायामयः इति. प्रपंचस्य ईश्वर अनुपादानत्वं साधयति. And how this prapancha is not having Ishvara as upadanam, that is said here. Mridanvita iti. So second line of this shloka, this vartika, mridanvito ghataha tasmad bhasate, tasmad ghataha mridanvito bhasate na ishvaranvitaha. Now ayam arthaha anumanam has come. Vimataha अचेतनोपादानकाः अचेतनोपादानकाः. So vimataha is the paksha. Vimataha viruddha mataha is vimataha. So viruddha mataha के विरुद्ध मताः अचेतन उपादान का है साध्य. बट व्हाट इज पक्ष? पक्ष इज सर्व पदार्थ. वेर एवर देर इज विरुद्ध उपादान, विरुद्ध मत, सो एनी कार्यद्रव्य पदार्थाः, एवरीथिंग दे आर सेइंग इट इज अचेतन उपादानकाः. Because dravya is also a padartha, correct? Dravya is padartha or not? No. So anything that is karya dravya, the karya dravya padartha is achetana upadanaka. The hetu is acetananvitataya bhasamanatvat, because they are appearing as achetana anvita. Achetana anvitataya bhasamanatvat. So they are appearing as pervaded by acetanam only. This is hetu. Now vyapti. यह स्वसत्तायां यदन्वितो नियमेन भासते सह तद उपादानको दृष्टः. दिस इज व्याप्ति. यह स्वसत्तायां यदन्वितो नियमेन भासते सह तद उपादानको दृष्टः. एनीथिंग दैट अपीयर्स इन इट्स ओन सत्ता, मीन्स इन इट्स फॉर्म, इन इट्स नेचर, यदन्वितो नियमेन भासते. Every time niyamena yadanvito bhasate, pervaded by whatever that thing is, it is tad upadanakaha, bahuvrihi samasa. Tad upadanam yasya saha tad upadanakaha. That has upadanam as that. So it has that as the upadanam. So घटः मृद उपादानकः. So मृद उपादानं यस्य तत् मृद उपादानकः घटः, सः तदुपादानको दृष्टः. यथा मृदन्विततया अवभासमानो घटः मृद उपादानकः. So मृद अन्विततया भासमान घट. Pot is pervaded by clay. So therefore घट is मृद उपादानकः. So paksha is done, sadhya is done, hetu is done, vyapti is done, drishtanta is done. Okay, next is what? Upanaya. Upanaya is तथा च इमे, and tasmat tatheti is what? Nigamanam. Tasmat tatheti is nigamanam. Because according to Nyaya, they say pancha avayava. Pratignya, hetu, drashtanta. Then you need upanaya and nigamanam. Upanaya tatha cha ime. Now what is tatha cha ime? तथा च इमे समस्त कार्य द्रव्य पदार्थ, ऑल दिस वॉट एवर वेर एवर देयर इज विमतम, बिकॉज उपनय मीन्स वॉट एवर इज द दृष्टांत, यू टेक दैट दृष्टांत एंड पुट इट नेक्स्ट टू पक्ष, दैट इज कॉल्ड उपनय. Upanaya means whatever is there in Drishtanta. Like we say, yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vanni, yatha mahanasa. So you put mahanasa next to parvata. Mahanasa has dhuma, yes. Parvata has dhuma, yes. So they both are next to each other. You can see dhuma. And mahanasa has vanni, yes. So parvata will have vanni. So therefore nigamanam will be tasmat tatha iti. Tasmat tatha. तस्मात् कार्य द्रव्य पदार्थाः अचेतनोपादानकाः. दिस इज तस्मात् तथा. तस्मात् ईश्वर आत्मन्विततया कस्यापि अवभास अदर्शनात् न ईश्वरोपादानकः प्रपंचः इत्यर्थः. Therefore, since no object is seen as pervaded by Ishvara or Atma, Ishvara Atma Anvitataya kasya api avabhasa adarshanaat na Ishvaropadanakah prapanchah. Prapancha na Ishvaropadanakah. So, Chaitanyam is not its karanam, upadana karanam. This is the meaning. So first shloka we have covered all aspects. Now further, कारण गत गुण विशेषैः एव कार्य गुणोत्पत्तेः तत्रापि न ईश्वर कार्य हेतुः इत्याह. Now about guna. He says, Karanagata guna visheshaihi eva karya guna utpatti. Now, I told you that guna vishesha, why he is using the word vishesha, it is coming now. Karanagata guna vishesha. If tantu is there, tantu has rupa. Tantu has rupa. What is the... How is Rupa staying in Tantu? Samavaya Sambandha. So Tantu Rupa is there in Tantu as Samavaya Sambandha. Pata Rupa in Pata is Samavaya Sambandha. Pata has Tantu as Samvaya Karana. Okay. Pata Samvaya Karanam is Tantu. Pata Rupa Samvaya Karana is Pata. Pata Rupa Samvaya Karana will be Pata. Pata Rupa's Tantu Rupa will be what Karanam? What will be the sambandha between Pata Rupa and Tantu Rupa? This they say is asamvayi karana. Pata Rupa's asamvayi karana is Tantu Rupa. So Samavet Samayi because Pata Rupa is Samavetam in Pata. And Pata is Samavetam. But you see, there will be Samaveta Samvayi will be between pata rupa and tantu, that sambandha is, and then between tantu and tantu rupa also you will need, right? So main point here is karanagata guna, vishesha guna will be there in karya. So it will be responsible for karya guna utpatti. That's why if the pata is shweta, tantu is shweta, then pata will be shweta. If tantu is rakta, then pata will be rakta. But according to Nyaya Vaisheshika, they say these are two different rupa. Tantu rupa is different entity. Means they look same. They are samana jatiya. That is given in the shloka now. They are samana jatiya, but they are different entity. Why? Because you can separate the tantus, so pata rupa will be destroyed. Because pata is destroyed, but tantu rupa will continue to exist. Correct? कारणगत गुण विशेषैः एव कार्य गुण उत्पत्तेः तत्रापि न ईश्वर कार्य हेतु. देयर आल्सो ईश्वर इज नॉट कार्य हेतु, मीन्स ईश्वर इज नॉट कारण. इत्याह. परमाणुगता एव गुणारूपरसादयः कार्ये समान जातीय मारबन्ते गुणान्तरम्. परमाणुगता एव गुणारूपरसादयः कार्ये समान जातीय मारबन्ते गुणान्तरम्. परमाणुगताः एव रूपरसादय गुणाः. रूपरस आदय गुणाः, they all are belonging to Parmanu. So whatever is there in the Parmanu, Rupa, Rasa, etc., those gunas, they will appear in Karya. Karye samana jatiyam gunantaram arambhante. In Karya, they produce samana jatiyam gunantaram. Gunantaram, anyah gunaha gunantaram. Anyo gunaha gunantaram. Another guna. But it is samana jatiyam. Samana jatiyam word is to say that Rupa will not produce rasa. Rupa of Parmanu will not produce rasa in Karyam or Gandha in Karyam. Rupa will produce Rupa. Rasa will produce Rasa. That's why Samana Jatiyam. But it will be different. It will be distinct. Means it's separate. That's why Gunantaram. So Parmanu gata eva gunaha karye which gunaha Rupa Rasadaya karye Samana Jatiyam Gunantaram Arabhante. Up to this, we'll see more next time. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.